Hi guys, welcome back to Lockie and Lukey. Today we're going to be cleaning the interior of the Rover P4 and the carpets.
So earlier on I took out all of the carpets and gave these all a good clean out, all the pedals, and I put a little cover over where the handbrake is, and that'll stay underneath the carpet just to stop any airflow from fumes getting in the car. Underneath there's some like black rubbery tape on the mesh, and I made the mesh free moving, so when the handbrake moves it can still go through. There's gaps for it to actuate still. Covered up some of the transmission tunnel with some heat-proof metal, I guess cut out strips, but I've just taped them down because the carpet's going to hold them down, and I want to be able to access those areas to check the transmission levels. Same in the back, just cleaning up all the interior floor and giving it a good once over all internally. And I also managed to get the interior lights working, so we've got some dash lights now, which is awesome. Yeah, so that's what we're doing today. Pretty solid, no rust or anything, it's all solid metal. It's all quite good, nice and strong. It's all solid all the way. It's really good. Be nice once the car is all repainted, but I'm just sort of trying to knock off the interior as much as I can first. The bodywork's going to be the biggest and most challenging job, so I'm trying to get the interior looking nice and smelling nice and plugging up all the fume holes so that we can get in a state where when you're driving it smells nice and it's quite enjoyable. I've got it all tuned nicely now, it starts first go, so we're getting there bit by bit. So while I'm at it, I've done a bit of a refresh on the seat under sort of frame, give it a bit of a freshen up, make it like nice and new. Eventually I'll have to redo the cabling for the adjustment cables, but for now we're just giving it a bit of a clean up, and we'll replace the seat top for now. Eventually I'll be putting new leather on the actual seats themselves, but for now just cleaning up the frame and the footrests. It's all coming along nicely. I especially love these pedals, the R's, quite awesome. That's it for today's videos, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hope you enjoy the content.